Welcome to the Aya Luxury Residence Progress Report for January 2026. We have reached a significant milestone in the East Wing, where bulk excavation, blinding to the raft, and the sewer line connection are now 100% complete. Furthermore, the tying and fixing of steel bars, followed by the successful pouring of concrete for the first section of the East Wing raft foundation, has been finalized. Looking ahead, our immediate focus shifts to the upcoming pouring of concrete into the columns, shear walls, and retaining walls for Basement 3. This transition is a key step in the scope of work, which encompasses the complete construction of the basements and underground tanks. Thank you for following our journey, and stay tuned for the next update.